Turn the key on, you'll see the gauges over there.
Uh-oh. The ventilator?
No, so the way these work, if you turn it a little too far,
Uh-huh.
it locks in place. So you got to turn it just to the on and then.
Oh, low coolant level.
Alright, do your little video. We gotta go.
Air power stop arm.
Alright, so now with these, the key is
Hit that door
that.
switch.
Yep, now close the door. Okay. You'll shut the key off. Alright.
Oh,
Nope, put it in the middle.
hold on.
Yeah.
Cancel. There it goes. I'm gonna do a some brake sounds because these buses sound real